In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reorder your boards on Pinterest. Okay, so once you've launched the Pinterest app, you'll be on the home screen, and then you want to tap on the saved option there at the bottom right with that little man emoji. That's going to take you to your boards, and then you can see above your boards on the right hand side of the search your pins bar are two horizontal lines with two dots. Tap on that. And then you can see the last option there is reorder boards. If you go ahead and tap on that, you will have the option to reorder your boards. Now, I only have one board on this account, so you can see those three horizontal lines on the right hand side of the board. If you have multiple boards, you just have to tap and hold on those three horizontal lines, and then you'll be able to move the board up and down and reorder it. So that is very quick and simple to do. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.